Hello everyone, welcome back to Installer Guru, your go-to channel for all things tech. I'm Sudip, and today we're going to explore how data flows in computers. We'll start from the days of circuit switching and move into the modern era of packet switching. Ever wondered how your WhatsApp message saying "hello" reaches your friend? Well, stick around, and we'll break it down step by step. Let's start with a bit of history. Initially, we had circuit switching. This was the backbone of traditional telephone networks. When you made a call, a dedicated circuit was established between you and the receiver. This circuit remained open for the entire duration of the call, making it an inefficient use of resources, especially if there was silence on the line. Enter packet switching. In the modern computer era, data is broken down into smaller packets. These packets are sent independently over the network and reassembled at the destination. This method is much more efficient and is the foundation of how data flows on the internet today. Now let's see how this works in practice with a simple example: sending a hello message on WhatsApp. When you send a hello message on WhatsApp, your message is broken down into multiple packets. Each packet contains a part of your message along with headers that include information like the source, destination, and packet order. These packets travel through the network using the OSI model, which consists of 7 layers. Let's briefly go through each layer. 1. Physical layer. This is the hardware part: cables, switches, and other physical components that transmit the raw data bits. 2. Data link layer, responsible for node-to-node data transfer and error detection / correction. Here, MAC addresses are used. 3. Network layer, determines the best physical path for the data. It uses IP addresses to route packets. 4. Transport layer, ensures complete data transfer with error checking and flow control. TCP and UDP protocols operate at this layer. 5. Session layer, manages sessions or connections between 2 devices. It handles the setup, management, and termination of connections. 6. Presentation layer, translates data between the application layer and the network. It's involved in data encryption and compression. 7. Application layer, the closest layer to the end user. It interacts with software applications and provides network services like email, file transfer, and, in our case, messaging. As the packets travel through these layers, they are routed through various networks, be it wired or wireless. Along the way, routers and switches direct the packets towards their destination based on the information in their headers. Once all the packets reach the destination, they are reassembled into the original message. So, your friend sees hello just as you typed it. To sum up, packet switching allows for efficient and reliable data transfer, making it possible for us to communicate quickly and effectively over the internet. From the physical layer to the application layer, each part plays a crucial role in ensuring your data gets where it needs to go. I hope this explanation helped you understand the journey of a simple WhatsApp message. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Installer Guru for more tech tutorials. Until next time, keep learning and stay connected.